we are going to see the Graptolites. So first is their phylum. Phylum is Hemichordata, and then comes the class. Class is Graptolite class. So it literally means that something written on the stone. Then comes the subclass. So there are two subclasses. First is Dendroidea, and the another one is Graptoloidea. So this is benthic form and this is planktonic form. This is also called the primitive form and this is called the advanced form. Now, what is the characteristics of them? So they are exclusively marine. So either form in benthic or planktonic, but in marine environment, and they are found in argillaceous rock or argillaceous rock. What are these rocks? Such as black shales or shales. So black shales, Silurian Ordovician time. So they are abundant in Silurian or Ordovician. So this is from Ordovician to Silurian. Next is, since they are found in black shales, so we must have seen the black shale in that Permian Triassic boundary problem. So they are termed as index fossils. What are the characteristics of index fossil? Which has wide geographical distribution and low geological distribution. So this is not the index fossil. This is index fossil. Now, what is the morphology? So morphology consists of one rod-like structure that is called the stipe, and then there are some apertures which are joined with the stipe, and these are called the theca. So and this upper portion is called the distal end and the down portion is called the proximal end. So there is a cone like structure to the proximal end that is called the sicula, and there is a thread coming out of it, it is called the nema. The whole system is called the virgula, which include the shape, the stipe plus sicula. The next portion come as the various features of it. So there are, if this is type and single sides there are theca associated it, that is called uniserial, and its name is called the monograptolite. If the theca are associated on the both sides, this is called the biserial, and this is called diplograptolite or diplograptus. This is called the monograptus. The third is when there are tetraserial. This is called the cyclograptus. Now, there is one features it is associated with the graptolite. This is called the angle of divergence. Suppose these are the graptolites theca and this is theta. So what happens with these stipes is that they diverge and eventually they rotate. So what happens is the initial condition when the thecas are inwardly shaping, so this is called the pedant condition. So in this condition the theca is hanging downwards, so they are hanging downwards So this is called the pendant condition, and then eventually they'll become horizontal, and then they will get inverted, so they are hanging upwards. So this is called as scadent condition, and this was pedant condition. So the angle between them is called the angle of divergence. So these are the things about the graptolites. Thanks.